Hello everyone, welcome back. So here is an update of the Fatwood Board of Fame. Oh yeah, man, it's been a while. Gosh, I want to say maybe a couple years. It went strong for a while and then it just totally died out. Now, it's probably my fault because I haven't brought it up, but we are up to 25 states samples of Fatwood. So basically, I started collecting these, and I made this board, and this board will hold all 50 states. I also have an international board. Folks like Andy and Dean and Jason and our dear departed brother Matt is on there. We got BC Gerbs. What else? I think I have one or two other ones. And this board here, as you see all the state names, I have documented the person that gave them to me. And you all probably recognize which ones you sent, and you're immortalized on the Fatwood Board of Fame. Oh, yeah. So the latest entry, if you saw my video on my mail calls, was Pennsylvania from our brother Quentin over at Indian Hemlock. Brother, I got to tell you, you said you don't really have great Fatwood there, but that stuff is so cool. It's very, very red. I tried a little bit of it. It's so sooty and it burns good. So we got to feature that on a Fire It Up Friday. But there's the board. So we got 25 states left. Let me just read them off real quick. In case you have access, I would greatly appreciate it. We could make a trade or something, or I'll pay you shipping. But basically, all I need is a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 3 inch. That's what those are. And we got, let's see, Alaska, Arizona, Colorado, Delaware, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Jersey, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Rhode Island, Utah, West Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. That will fill that board. So any of you all that have that, reach out to me. My email is in my about section. We could definitely work something out. I'll make a trade. Yeah, I'd love to get some more of this going. You know, get this ball rolling and get this Fatwood board. I'd actually love to go visit all those states and harvest it myself, but yeah, that's probably not going to happen, at least right now. So yeah, there you have it. Again, Quentin from over at Indian Hemlock. Brother, I really appreciate it, and also everybody else that's donated to the board. You're immortalized. So there you have it, folks. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you all are doing well, and we'll see you on the next one.